Okay, so the video antenna is damaged. It looks like a TBS Triumph. I'm not sure if it's original. It's not very bad, the image of this antenna. Of course it was much better once. By the way, a white antenna is much more visible in the field when you crash than a black one. Okay, so here's this TBS Triumph-like looking antenna. It's probably fake because it was cheap and it was from eBay. It looks like this, it's broken. The plastic part was simply pushed down. The arrangement is like a swastika. This sign, it's like a cross and it has these wires on it. It should have wires on the bottom side. Two of them are still there, and it should have wires on the top side also. The top ones should face in the other direction, so if the bottom is going to the left, on the top it should go to the right. The same for all of them, bottom left, top right, and they should be at an angle also. I straightened them out thinking that it's not straight. So currently it looks like this, and the exterior is the same as this metal, that stranded one, and the exterior is in contact with the lower side wires, and the interior, the needle, the center, is in contact with the top, that center portion. So the bottom is the exterior and the top is the interior. And I should solder wires, if not exactly here because it's broken, I should solder it directly from the center at 90 degrees plus at a certain angle. 90 degrees from the center down and to the right, and then at an angle. It has the TBS and the sheep sign there, but I'm not sure if it's original. And here's some wire. I will try to use this one because the diameter is identical to that one. Of course it's not copper, but we'll see. So I just scratched off that black coating from it, and now the copper is visible. And I tend to use this small wire. It is bent here in the center also because it has to avoid this center pin, and I should place it on top of this one. Solder it there. So let's see if I can solder it this way. Now let's give that angle. So it's something like this. My crocodile was here. Pre-tin these copper elements for easier soldering. Now the top part is finished. I have to give that angle to this one also. I have to remove the coating, the black coating from the lower part, if there is. The entire lower part is metal. 3 are cleaned, the 4th one still has the black coating. So here's the final finished product. All of them are inclined to the left, so the right side is on top, so thus it has to be right hand polarized. Right side is on top, the left side is on bottom, so it's right hand polarized. So it's a double swastika. One is on the top, one is on the bottom. That's for the outer and for the inner connection. The outer one is the lower one. The inner one is the top one. One is facing to the right, one is facing to the left. So now this antenna is connected. The red one, the Pegda, is just hanging here. It's disconnected. This one is connected here.